Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech, and in this video I'll be unboxing this Rega AirBeats 500 Bluetooth headset and giving you the complete review. So here's the box, and on the front we have the Rega branding and the product name itself at the top right corner. That's the AirBeats 500. At the center it says active fit, sporty, comfortable, durable. This particular headset is an over-ear headset, so it's going to be pretty comfortable and it should give you some passive noise cancellation as well. It's also IPX4 splash proof, that's basically sweat proof, so that's pretty good as well. It also has a built-in mic so you can answer calls if you're connected it to your phone. And finally, this one comes with free ear cushions. On the box, this headset is priced at 5,000 rupees, but it is being sold online on TechieTech website, Amazon and Flipkart for 3,600 rupees. It's available in two variants, both are exactly the same. This one comes with green color ear cushions, while the other one comes with red color ear cushions. Rest of the things are pretty similar. Now without any further delays, let's just get on with the unboxing. And that's all it took to unbox it. Now once we open the box, these are all the contents. First we have some cables, let's have a quick look at that. First we have a micro USB charging cable to charge the headset itself. Next we have a wired connection, just in case if this headset runs out of battery, you can use this just like a wired headset as well. So this can be used for that. Next we have the headset itself, let me just put that aside. Next we have a soft bag, that's for the headset once again, and it's pretty good. You also have the Rega branding at the center. And finally, we got the green color ear cushions. So guys, these are the contents of the box. Now let me put everything aside and have a physical overview of this headset. This headset has a plastic build. It's pretty light in weight and also has a matte finish overall, so it feels good to hold in hand. It even has a slightly newer design with rubber or silicone belt on the top for your head, and it also has holes for ventilation. Next there is the Rega branding on the inside of the band and just the company logo on the sides. You can extend the headset in this way. It comes out pretty easily and fits most people. Now these are the replaceable ear cups. Cushions are decently soft, they're not super comfy but pretty good. They are made of fabric so they will absorb sweat. It has its own pros and cons. Now these ear cups can be turned to one side to place your headphones on a flat surface as well. Now on the bottom of the right cup there are just three buttons. That's the volume plus and minus along with the play or pause button, which also acts like a power button. Next we have the 3.5mm audio jack followed by micro USB charging port, LED indicator, and finally a hole for the microphone. These buttons are easy to find and they also have a nice clicky feel to them. Now to turn on the headset, we just need to long press the play or pause button. For the first time, LED will blink in blue and red alternatively. Now it's ready for pairing. Now the pairing process itself is pretty simple. After you turn on the headphones, turn on Bluetooth on your phone and look for Rega AB500. Once you find it, click on it and it will pair. On the headset, you'll also hear a sound confirmation, and that's it. Now once you're paired, every time you turn on this headset, it will automatically connect to your phone. By the way, every time you turn on or turn off the Bluetooth headset, you'll hear a small sound alert from the headset, so that's a pretty good indicator as well. Now coming back to these volume buttons, you can press them to increase or decrease volume. Once you reach the maximum limit or the lowest limit, you'll hear a beep sound. While watching videos or while listening to music, if you long press the plus button, it will switch to the next song or the next video. In the same way, if you long press the minus button, it will play the previous song or the previous video. I have tested it with YouTube Music and other music players as well, and these buttons work as expected. Now you can also use this headset to make or receive calls. If you are receiving a call, you can press the play or pause button to answer the call, and once you're done, click it again to end the call. When the phone is in idle mode, you can press the play or pause button twice to redial to your most recent contact. By the way, call quality in calls was also pretty decent. Now these are some of the most highlighting features of this headset. This headset comes with interchangeable or washable ear cushions. Normally you just get two ear cushions with any headset that comes pre-installed, but with this one you get some extra ear cushions. So even if you use them roughly, you always have an extra pair. Next, because of the overall design, you also get some passive noise cancellation. It's not complete noise cancellation, but it is definitely better. This headset also supports Bluetooth 5.0, So that means it has better range and also has better signal reception. This headset is also IPX4, that's splash proof and sweat proof. Very few headsets offer IP certification in this price segment, and if you're someone who likes to use it for gym or workouts, you can consider this headset. Now finally, battery life on this headset is really great. Company claims about 10 hours of playtime. Personally, I've used it continuously for about 4 to 5 hours and it still has some juice left. So that's pretty good. And even if you completely run out of battery, you can always use the aux cable and use it like a wired headset. So that's a pretty cool feature as well. So guys, this is the Rega Airbeats 500. Let me know what you think about it by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy this headset, link for that is in the description, do check it out. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Nikhil from Greedy Tech signing off. Have a nice day.